Hi guys, it's David Martinson here. A quick testimonial for Ed and his team. I'm working with my partner, Steve Jones, who's a business motivational coach, and I look after his social media and explainer videos, etc. Steve got the COA program 6 months ago now and gave it over to me to go through because he was busy. Ed gave me access to it and the Facebook group. I have to say that the group is so active. Questions are answered within minutes from members and staff. COA 8 is by far the most comprehensive structured course I've come across. Sat here after 10 days swatting as I've been stuck in this room with bloody COVID. But what that has done for me is concentrate on the job in hand. And, I've already done the ad copy. I've finished a video explainer to test out. The landing page has been done on Kajabi. Adverts ready to trial. So we'll see what happens. But I'm so excited for this. It's given me a new kind of energy, which I can use moving forward. And I would fully recommend anyone wanting to get more clients, and automate the process, that jump on this program and fly through it as quick as you can, and then go over it again. So cheers. Here's to COVID free as of tomorrow, Saturday, the 4th of December, 2021.